Welcome to Confidence Camp, where you'll learn everything about how to stand center stage and say, "This is who I am." Along with my trusty assistant, Andy Anatomy, you'll learn about your squishy bits on the inside and how your ribs protect them, creating community and trust. We dive deep into the science of anxiety and how it affects your body and brain, and how to reduce it using my core teaching, the 10 Breaths Away breathing series, developed over 20 years and used by everyone from preschoolers to prisoners. There are professional theater warm-ups for your body and breath, your face and voice, and can be used for any rehearsal process. If you dream of hosting a podcast, I'll teach you how to speak into a microphone. Or if hosting a YouTube channel is your thing, I'll teach you how to be comfortable on camera. Or if you want to stand center stage with a live audience, I'll show you how to hit your mark. If you're asking, what if I'm too scared? Or if you feel you can't be your authentic self, or if your voice is shaky, Confidence Camp is fun and just for you.